Introducing Wheno.live, a Panchanga-based scheduling platform where you don't just look for free slots but also be able to check the quality of time. On the outset, it looks like this. The calendar here starts with Chaitra month, aligning with the nature's cycles. The time here is divided into Shukla Paksha, the waxing phase of the moon, and the Krishna Paksha, the waning phase of the moon. In the Amanta system, the lunar month begins with Shukla Paksha. In the Purnimanta system, the lunar month begins with Krishna Paksha. Moon is the lord of the mind, and hence it's important to check with the moon's phase to understand our mind state. Throughout the day, there are various auras, the grahas supporting or obstructing various kinds of activities. In the day view, you can check using the Hora cycle. Next, you can check the Panchanga details of the day, along with Samvatsara, Ritu details. Sandhya is the time of twilight, the time in which Brahma is said to do the creation of various beings, including Devatas and the Asuras, the morning Sandhya for Devatas and the evening Sandhya for the Asuras. Hence, it is said not to sleep during the Asura Sandhya. You can use this time for Sandhya Vandana and related practices. Earlier time was divided into Muhurtas, a 48-minute period, kind of like an hour. Within these Muhurtas, there are some really avoidable times like the Rahu Kalam, Yama Gandam. You can check these details also in the day view. You can check the current time for its feasibility for various activities using the timing check. These predictions are made based on various factors based on Jyotishya texts. You can plan your activities such as a meeting, then check the time slots as per auras, sandhyas, and the muhurtas. Additionally, you can pick a custom time based on your availability and the time quality. Then you can send a WhatsApp invite, an email invite, calendar invite, along with a Google Meet link or a custom Meet link. The invitation will appear like this in their mailbox. You can check your scheduled activities in the Activities tab. As per the activity status, you can mark it as complete, or reschedule or delete. The activities can be synced to your Google Calendar, and you can see it on your calendar directly. We have a personal journal for you to log your day's status, and later this data can be used to analyze how time quality has influence on your activities. In the Festivals tab, you can check all the festivals that are celebrated based on celestial positioning. You can plan your activities directly from here as well. You can switch to dark or bright mode. We have all the main cities added, in case if you need the Panchanga for a specific location, you can request it from the subscription page. Quality of time increases at particular combinations. For this purpose, we have added these filters, where you can check a specific combination of Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, etc. is occurring, and accordingly plan your activities. That's Wheno.live, a Panchanga-based scheduling platform that helps you plan, work, and live according to nature's time.